So hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 18 of class 7, that is exponents and powers. Okay, in part 8 we are going to solve some more example based on this concept. Okay, so let us start. So we were learning about the laws of exponents. In the previous period we have learned up to two laws of exponents. Now today we are going to learn the remaining laws of exponents. Okay, now our next law is a raised to m raised to n. Okay, that is, if a number is there, that is a base, it is having one power and another power is present over it, that is we say that power to power. During such a condition we can multiply these powers keeping the base only one time. For example, now let us solve some example. It is given that simplify and express the result in exponential form. Okay, so now we have 3 raised to 2 raised to 4. So power to power. So during such a condition, what we will do? We will multiply these powers with each other. So we get it as 3 raised to 2 into 4. Now 2 fours are 8. So our final answer will be 3 raised to 8. Okay. Let us consider next example. Now here we have minus 7 upon 11 raised to 5 raised to 2. Okay, so now what we will do? The condition is of power to power. So we will multiply these powers with each other. So in next step we will get minus 7 upon 11 raised to 5 into 2. So that equals to minus 7 upon 11 raised to 10. That is 5 twos are 10. Okay, so this is our answer over here. Now let us see next law. Now fourth law states that if two numbers are having different base and the same power, and if they are multiplied, okay, so during such a condition we can multiply the bases together and keeping the power only one time. Remember what is the condition? Two numbers with the same power and different base, if they are multiplied, we multiply the base keeping the power only one time. Okay, so let us solve one example based on this one. Now it is given evaluate the following. So 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. Okay. Now two numbers are with same power and are multiplied. During such a time, what we will do? We will multiply the base. So what you will get in the next step? So 2 into 5 raised to 3. Now 2 fives are 10. So what will be our answer? 10 raised to 3. Okay. Let us see next example. Now here it is given minus 2 raised to 3 into 3 upon 5 raised to 3. Again two numbers with same power, okay, are multiplying. So what we will do? We will multiply the bases. So in next step what you will get? Minus 2 into 3 upon 5. These both are the bases and power only one time. Now check whether we can make any cancellation. No cancellation. So we will multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So minus 2 into 3 will become minus 6 and 5 into nothing means 5. Now we want to find its value. It is given evaluate. So what we will do? Now minus 6, it will be multiplying 3 times and 5 will also multiply 3 times. Okay, so minus 6 when multiplied 3 times, so 6 6 are 36 into 6 216. Okay, and since negative number its power is an odd number, so our answer will always be negative. Then 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay, now let us consider one more example. Now here again same condition, two numbers are there with same power and are multiplied. So what we will do? We will multiply the bases. Okay, so what do we get now? 2 upon 3 into minus 3 upon 5 raised to 3. Okay, so now check whether we can cancel any numbers. Yes, we can. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. Okay, now in next step what you will get? 2 upon 1 into minus 1 upon 5 raised to 3. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2 upon 5 raised to 3. So now what will be our answer now? Minus 2 raised to 3 means it it will be minus 2 will be multiplying 3 times and 5 will also multiply 3 times. Okay, so 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Our answer will be minus 8 upon 125. Okay, now let us consider next law. Now our fifth law is, suppose if the numerator and denominator, or in other condition it may be also in this way, two numbers with same power are divided during such a time, what we can do, we can write the base division keeping the power only one time. Okay, let us consider some examples. Now suppose if it is given 2 raised to 3 upon 10 raised to 3. Okay, so now two numbers with same powers are divided, so we will write power only one time and we will divide the numbers. So what you will get, 2 upon 10 raised to 3. Now what we will check, whether we can cancel this one or not. So yes, we can. 5 2 ones are 2, 5s are. Okay, so in next step what we will get, 1 upon 5 raised to 3. Okay, now 1 will be multiplying 3 times, 5 will be multiplying 3 times. Okay, so finally 1 into any time we will get number 1 only, and 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So this is our answer. Let us consider one more example over here. Now here we have 25 raised to 4, 5 raised to 4. Again same condition, two numbers with same power are dividing each other. So during such time what we will do, we will divide the numbers keeping the power only one time. So we get 25 upon 5 raised to 4. Now again we can cancel here, 5 ones are 5, 5s are. Okay, in next step we will get 5 raised to 4. That means 5 is multiplied 4 times. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 into 5, 625 will be our answer. Now, last law, that is sixth law. Now, this law states that any number a raised to 0 equals to 1 means any number raised to 0 will be always equals to 1. Okay, so let us solve some examples based on this one. Now it is given that evaluate or find the value. Okay, so 3 raised to 0, so any number raised to 0, our answer will be always 1. Okay, consider next example, minus 6 upon 7 raised to 0. So this is any number raised to 0 means answer will be 1. Okay, now let us see some different type of examples over here. Now we have 2 raised to 0 minus 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 0, 1. 3 raised to 0, 1. 4 raised to 0, 1. Okay. So what will be our answer? Now 1 minus 1 will be 0 plus 1. So our final answer will be 1. Okay. And last example now. Here we are having minus 1 upon 2 raised to 2 raised to 0. So here power to power will multiply each other. So what can we write now? Minus 1 upon 2, 2 into 0 now. 2 into 0 will become 0. Okay. Now this is of what type? Any number raised to 0. So our answer will be always 1. Okay. So here we have learned all the laws. Hope you all must have understood these laws. If not, watch this video again and again. Okay. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.